I'm studying for CPA exams. Hello! Welcome back to CPA Career Path channel. My name is Rosie. Today, I'm going to share with you some tips how I pass all 4 CPA exams. Yes! First, let me just introduce to you a little bit about my background. I got my bachelor and my master degrees both in accounting, and I also passed my 4 CPA exams. Yes! That feels so amazing. And also, I work in private company industry for 5 years before I start working at the public CPA firm at CB's MHM. Tip number 1, set the exam date. A lot of people tell me that, I would set the CPA exam dates once I feel ready for it. No, for me, I set the CPA exam date first, and that is the deadline I need to get ready to take these CPA exams. This keeps me stay focused and stay motivated. Second, I always prioritize things during the time I study for CPA exams. I put what first, second, and third. Definitely no parties, no birthdays, no hang out with friends, just work, study, classes, and CPA exams. Everything I try to spend as much as possible just for CPA exams. Third, I make my timetable from the time I get up to the time I go to bed. I include everything I do during the day and during the week, and so I keep track of everything at the same time, make sure I have a lot of hours for my CPA exams. This is really important when you try to set up the time you study for CPA exam the same time every day. It will keep you save time to set up and to get everything ready. The first time you probably like, I miss a pen, I need a note, I need this, I need that. And so the second time, third time, fourth time, you just have everything ready and you just sit down and study for CPA exams. Make some routines for yourself for these CPA exams. And also, don't forget to do some exercise as well, because your body is healthy and so you can focus on studying for CPA exams. I used to run 10 miles every week when I study for CPA exam. Also, when you study for CPA exams, make sure you set the time to study straight for 4 to 5 hours. So it's really important, because you know that when you have a real CPA exams, you will sit down for a long period of time, 4 to 5 hours. So try to make your brain to get used to this time so you will not feel exhausted during the times when you take CPA exams. This is really important. You don't have to do this every day if you have work and classes as well, but try to do it on Saturday and Sunday when you don't have classes or when you don't have work to do. Fourth, stay positive. It's awesome if you pass the CPA exams in the first time, but it's okay if you pass the second time, third or fourth time. No one wants to judge you. The key is that you need to pass all 4 CPA exams in 18 months. And so stay positive and take the lessons when you fail in the first time and study for it again and have a game plan for you. And I know you can do it. Tip number 5, just focus on yourself. CPA exams are very difficult. You may see a lot of videos saying that how I pass CPA exams in 1 month, how I pass CPA exams in 3 months. Stop comparing yourself with any other pupil. It's just you. It's your own path, and so just study for CPA exams on your own pace. If it takes you a long time, it takes you a long time. If it takes you shorter time, it takes you shorter time. It's okay. Just focus on yourself and study for these CPA exams. I know you can do it. And so let me know if you have any questions and tell me, what tips you like the most. And if you have any better tips, feel free to share with me at the comment below. And make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel as well to watch more videos about CPA later. Thank you.